클릭해주셔서 감사합니다.
Hello everyone, I'm Laiseo JK. In the previous lecture, we talked about globalization and how the world became deeply interconnected. Today we are going to discuss one of the most important economic questions of the 21st century, artificial intelligence. Will AI replace human workers? Will automation create mass unemployment? Why are some people excited about AI while others are deeply afraid of it? And how will technology change the future economy? Today we will explore automation, labor markets, technological change, and the future of work. Let's begin. First, let's understand something important. Technology replacing human labor is not a new phenomenon. This has happened many times throughout history. For example, before industrialization, many products were made entirely by hand. Then machines transformed factories. Agricultural technology reduced the number of farm workers needed. Computers automated many office tasks. The internet changed communication and business itself. Every major technological revolution changed jobs and industries. Now AI is creating another major transformation. Artificial intelligence can already perform many tasks that previously required human labor. For example, writing simple articles, translating languages, analyzing data, creating images, answering customer questions, driving vehicles, detecting patterns, and AI systems are improving rapidly. This creates both excitement and anxiety. Now let's ask the big question. Will AI replace human jobs? The answer is complicated. Some jobs will likely disappear or shrink, especially repetitive and predictable tasks. For example, simple data entry, routine factory work, basic administrative tasks, some transportation jobs. Automation often replaces tasks that follow clear patterns. However, history shows something interesting. Technology also creates new jobs. For example, the internet destroyed some industries but created software engineering, digital marketing, content creation, app development, cybersecurity. Entirely new industries appeared. This may also happen with AI. Now here is something important. AI may not completely replace many workers. Instead, AI may change how people work. For example, doctors may use AI to analyze medical data faster. Lawyers may use AI for document research. Teachers may use AI tools for education. Designers may use AI to generate ideas. In many cases, humans and AI may work together rather than completely replacing one another. But there is still a serious concern. The transition itself can be painful. When industries change rapidly, many workers struggle to adapt. Some people may lose jobs faster than new opportunities appear. This can increase unemployment, economic insecurity, inequality. Workers with advanced skills may benefit greatly from AI, while others may fall behind. This is one reason governments and economists are paying close attention to AI. Now let's discuss productivity. One reason economists are excited about AI is productivity growth. Productivity means producing more output with fewer resources. If AI also if AI allows workers and businesses to become more productive, economies may grow faster. For example, faster research, more efficient logistics, better healthcare systems, smarter manufacturing, improved communication. Technology can increase living standards dramatically over time. However, productivity gains do not automatically benefit everyone equally. This is extremely important. If the economic benefits of AI become concentrated in a small number of companies or individuals, inequality may increase. Some economists would worry AI could create greater wealth concentration, more market power for large tech companies, stronger economic inequality. This creates political and social debates about regulation and fairness. Now let's discuss education. As technology changes, skills become increasingly important. Workers may need to adapt continuously throughout life. Future economies may place greater value on creativity, problem solving, communication, emotional intelligence, adaptability. Why? Because purely repetitive tasks are often easier to automate. Now here is an important philosophical question. If machines perform more labor, what should humans do? Some people imagine a future where technology reduces the need for difficult labor and improves quality of life. Others worry about meaning, purpose, and unemployment. Technology changes not only economies, but also human society itself. Now let's connect AI to daily life. Many people already use AI without realizing it. Recommendation systems, navigation apps, online translation, voice assistants, social media algorithms. AI is already shaping communication, entertainment, business, and education, and its influence will likely continue growing rapidly. Now, here is one final important idea. Technology itself is not automatically good or bad. Its impact depends on how societies use it. AI could increase productivity, improve medicine, reduce dangerous labor, and expand knowledge. But it could also increase surveillance, inequality, and economic disruption. Economics helps us think carefully about these trade-offs. So let's summarize today's lecture. Artificial intelligence is transforming the economy and the labor market. Some jobs may disappear through automation, especially repetitive work. However, new industries and opportunities may also emerge. AI may often change jobs rather than fully replace humans. The future economy may value creativity, adaptability, and human-centered skills more strongly. And because AI will likely shape the future of society itself, understanding AI economics is becoming increasingly important. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this lecture, please like and subscribe. And in the next video, we will discuss another major economic topic, behavioral economics. Are humans really rational decision makers? See you next time.